Zanu PF haunts Hwange villagers. The 8th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Zanu PF has rolled out a cell verification program in Hwange district, a move the ruling party insists is crucial for consolidating its membership base and strengthening grassroots structures. At an inter-district meeting held at Hwange Colliery Club, Politburo members Advocate Jacob Mudenda and Deputy Secretary for Youth Affairs Tino Machikere underlined the importance of the exercise, stressing that mobilizing young people was central to the party's long-term survival. The young people have always been very important to the party and government. We thank them for their support, and that is why we always put up empowerment programs that also benefit them immensely. Mudenda told the gathering. Machikere echoed the sentiment, urging Hwange to accelerate the process. This is an important exercise which should be done in the district of Hwange. While they are lagging behind, we encourage them to move and regularize their cell membership. It is an exercise which must include all key stakeholders. Yet behind the official rhetoric of empowerment and organization, villagers view the initiative with suspicion and fear. In rural Zimbabwe, Zanu PF cell building campaigns have long been associated with coercion, surveillance, and political intimidation. Communities often report being compelled to join party structures under the watchful eye of local traditional leaders and ruling party youth militias. Refusal, they say, can mean exclusion from food aid, harassment at night, or being branded an opposition supporter in a climate where dissent carries real risks. Since independence in 1980, Zanu PF has systematically weaponized rural structures to entrench its power. Traditional leaders, chiefs, headmen, and village heads have been co-opted through state incentives such as vehicles, allowances, and land allocations, ensuring their loyalty to the ruling party. In turn, many have been accused of ordering villagers to attend Zanu PF rallies, disrupting opposition meetings, and issuing threats to those unwilling to fall in line. Hwange, a coal mining district with a history of sporadic resistance to Zanu PF dominance, now finds itself at the heart of this renewed pressure. The party's cell verification exercise may appear administrative on the surface, but for many villagers, it represents something more sinister. The tightening of a decades-old system designed to control rural communities through fear, patronage, and poverty. As the ruling party doubles down on structures in advance of future elections, Hwange residents whisper anxiously that the ghosts of past violence are once again stirring in the countryside.